Okay, first of all, we take off all the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the screws screwed out. Then, okay, here we can see this is a screen panel. You can find the screws. 4 clamps here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Use these screws. Push these clamps. Then push out this screen. Push the clamps. Push out. Totally 4 clamps. Okay. Then take off the vacuum tap. Push this plug. Then turn off the tap. Same with this tap here. Okay, take out the tap. Left and the right tap. Usually this left is short, this right tap is longer, so you should then take off this thread. Okay, take off this. And same with. Okay. Okay, use these tools to take off these screws. Using your hand to take off this cap. Be careful of the left pad and the right pad because they are different, longer. Take out the new screen. The same position. Yes, take care of this position. Okay, first we put on the right longer pad and the left shorter pad.